Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 won't turn on at all, you might be facing an issue with the power cable. This can happen due to wear and tear, or damage from frequent use. If this problem is not addressed promptly, your vacuum may become completely unusable, which can be quite inconvenient. To carry out this repair, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a replacement power cable for the Dyson HD01. Begin by ensuring your device is unplugged for safety. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the back cover of your Dyson HD01. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the cover is off, you should see the internal components, including the power cable. The cable often becomes damaged at the connection point, so visually inspect it for any frays or breaks. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the power cable in place. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe spot, as you will need them for reassembly. Gently disconnect the old cable from the circuit board. Take care not to touch any other components, as they may be sensitive. When installing the new cable, ensure that the connectors fit snugly into their respective ports. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new cable is in place, replace the screws to secure it. After that, carefully reattach the back cover, making sure it fits well without forcing it. Before you finish, plug in your Dyson HD01 to check if it powers on. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid pulling the vacuum by the cable and ensure it's stored properly when not in use. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear and tear to catch potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.